Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add and manage agents in Zoho Desk. This is essential for building out your support team and ensuring each member has the right access and permissions to handle customer inquiries effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho Desk and log into your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, take a moment to locate the Setup option, which is represented by a gear icon. You'll find this icon in the top navigation menu. Go ahead and click on it. This gear icon is your gateway to all the administrative settings and configurations within Zoho Desk, so it's an important starting point for managing your team. After clicking the Setup icon, you'll be presented with various configuration options. Look for the section labeled User Management. This is where all the controls for managing your team members live. Under the User Management section, you'll see an option called Agents. Click on it to proceed. This section is specifically designed for adding new support agents and managing existing ones, making it easy to keep your team organized and properly configured. Once you're in the Agents section, you'll see a complete list of all the agents currently registered under your Zoho Desk account. This gives you a clear overview of your entire support team. From here, if you want to add a new agent to your team, look toward the top right part of your screen and click on the button labeled New Agent. This will open up a form where you can input all the necessary details for your new team member. Now, you'll need to start filling in the fields for your agent's basic information. This typically includes details like their name, email address, and other contact information. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate, as this information will be used throughout the system. Once you've entered the basic details, it's time to configure their role within your support structure. You'll need to set which departments this agent will be assigned to. This determines which tickets and customer inquiries they'll have access to, so choose based on their expertise and responsibilities. Next, you'll want to set the role and permissions for this agent. Zoho Desk offers different role levels that control what actions an agent can perform, such as viewing tickets, responding to customers, or accessing reports. Select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu based on their position in your team. Finally, set the access level for this agent by selecting from the drop-down menu. This defines their overall permissions within the system and ensures they only see what's relevant to their job. Once everything is configured to your liking, save the agent's profile and they'll be added to your team with all the settings you've specified. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured a new agent in Zoho Desk, giving them the access and permissions they need to start supporting your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.